launched, we don't want to contaminate the life that we are later going to one day want to study.
What?
So that's why. So we plunged it into Saturn.
That's why?
That is why.
Because they were worried about maybe it hitting Europa or something?
Once it's dead and you can't track it or guide it anymore, then it's a wild card. It might hit Europa is a moon of Jupiter, but Enceladus, there are other moons that have sort of ocean water. They're water worlds, basically. And
so the concern is that we would introduce life.
Suppose we did. It crashed, and then we go back later and find life.